Hi, this is IK. Welcome to Eureka. Here it is, on change. Event on change, call function on title change. And that function change title. With what? With text what we type. Title was empty, now on change. Function on title change will change value title, and we have new value title, and it is reason for re-render it, but it doesn't happen. It did not happen. Re-render it of add new post, no happen. After that, we click in text area and type text, click out. It is on change event. On change event, call on content change. Content is changed. Was empty, now some text. Again, reason for re-rendering. Add new post would now second time rendering, re-rendering. Initial re-rendering because of title, re-rendering because of, but it is not, we don't need it. And it doesn't happen because set value go asynchron, go back, go in batch, go asynchron. And what is interesting, I forget to that. I only spoke and concentrate on submit button and activation on save post click, and all of this set for set and this set React create batch, but also in asynchron is the dispatch, and in asynchron environment relies all set. Look at first we have set address status, but first of this we have two set in batch: set title, set content. All that is because of declarative. Declarative means a lot of code behind scene, and nothing said to us, but declare, you do like this. And from our outside looking, if we look at all synchronize, it will synchronize means that statement execute when is its order. First statement, second statement, statement by statement. And of course, event-driven, JavaScript event-driven process will activate this on change, when happen on change, on title change is called, and value set title, change value of title, set content, change value of content. And if it is happened in the main thread of program see it and would be re-rendered. But if it happened outside of main thread, in some other environment, in asynchron environment, in asynchron space, component don't see what happened in asynchron and not re-render. In asynchron, in this case is excellent example where we change title and content in asynchron space, and get back again, change to initial value. Change title, text what we type, title and content, and dispatch it, here it is, and after that, get back set title, set content, and set add request status, and set error, change back to initial value, and that initial value come back from asynchron space to synchron space, and synchron space don't know what happened in asynchron. When a result coming in synchron space, main thread, see value as before, and don't re-render addNewPost. Excellent example with a lot of set title in different place in same component. It means here it is this set together with dispatch in body of function, in curly brackets, inside of curly brackets. Here is curly brackets of arrow function, and it is body of arrow function, and we call it block. And the block is always something isolate for all around. Some small program, small or big program, separate, execute, and result would be given. But now we have a block, curly brackets here, of that function, but we have also outside of block. These two, set title, set content, outside of block. And all it together go in batch and go asynchron. All together, not, there is no separation is in asynchron space. Only must happen by order. It means that before dispatch, we must have text in new title and new content. It means this happened asynchron, but before dispatch. On content changed happened before dispatch, and dispatch, and also set add request status happened before dispatch, and after that happened dispatch, set title, for us interesting, not console, but set title, set content, set error on initial value, and finally, without fulfilled or rejected, finally will be always, and in finally we have set add request as before idle. Interesting. Repeat, in asynchron, go all set. And in asynchron space, they resolve, they execute synchronize, but it is in asynchron environment. And synchron environment, main thread of JavaScript, don't see what happened in asynchron. Because of that, don't react and have not re-render component. We don't need re-render. Okay, it is excellent example. When we want something hide from main thread, like here it is, we take it asynchron, and main thread don't see what happened in asynchron. And when we resolve and execute that asynchron process, get back in synchron, and nothing happened. It is parallelism. It is not a block. asynchronous process don't block synchronized process. Uh, Asynchronous process is parallel to main process, and while not use it when we need it, and it is excellent practical example. And I didn't see uh, on title change and on content change. I spoke, what is it? I was very smart in explanation, but the main thing I didn't explain because I didn't see it. I concentrate on this set, on that submit of form and asynchronous process of and batch of that set and dispatch here in this body, in this block of on save post click. But after that, uh, after sleeping, after get smarter, I ask myself, hey, you forget what happened with on title change. On title change cannot be synchronized because I don't see re-render. I must say that I must exchange a lot of dialogue that Chat GPT said, yes, you are right. It is all like you said, because I, in practice, see that there is there is no re-rendering. Add post form, not rendered. Here it is in this list, right? Add post form, only rendered initial render. And in all lists, there is no add post form again about rendered. There is no re-rendered. Look at now. After post 2, and here is the content, save point, nothing happened. Only one rendering, initial rendering at post form, and never again at post. Here it is at post form, it is something else. It is not re-rendered. Re-rendered. Okay. Okay. Excellent. Because and it is important practice. It is important test. Important or you ask yourself, and important to take a logic component. Only reason for a re-rendered component is a mutation of state. Mutation of state. Change of state. And set state, change state. And when we see set state, we can think, okay, every set is change state, but it is a lot of unneeded re-rendered of components, and performance is catastrophic. Because of that, set state go asynchronous, and execute in asynchronous process. Main thread of programs don't see what happened in asynchronous, and from asynchronous, result of asynchronous come back in main thread, and if we need, we re-render it. Or like here in our example, we don't re-render it. I hope I hope that I all see, all saw, and all explain. But I don't believe it because until now, in this last 1, 2 years, how many I learn and work with at first Angular and after that a long time with React. I always uh, uh, see something first time, uh, have something in mind and control it, experience it. And it is important because it is excellent because it is interesting job to see always something new to research, to ask yourself, but all time work. Without work, there is no ask yourself, there is no deep learning. You must work. And this kind of learning on finished project is for me is excellent. Deep understanding, deep learning, you don't need to type code. You look at in code, in finished code, somebody else write and understand, learn, and when you're ready, you try, ask yourself for some your example. For example, here you can open your free mock server and uh, test and create one. At first, you can copy from code from this, and after that, copy means that you understand, that you test yourself. Do you understand? And after copy, you try without looking by your hand type code with all the logic in your head what you learn. It is like foreign language. Foreign language. I listen. Now will be 8 years, 8.5 years. Every day, listen and listen English from my teacher AJ Hodge, but also audio books. There is an excellent, understandable narrator who read that audible books, and it is excellent. Audible books is excellent because you can listen in during walking, and it is interesting for interesting working and interesting in English book. Uh, okay, uh, this is all for from this video. If you know somebody that needs video like this, tell them about exchange, share address, subscribe, like, comment, and this our group around this video, this around this playlist will grow. If growing, in the same time growing our learning, our knowledge, more explanation about different explanation about same things is something the best for learning, because everything you can look at from many sides. 360 circle is circle, around anything is circle. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.